ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
UMLA jaga National People's Party Abu Tahir Mondal ulakam bagi arnuri Kyrtong kibaga parti kala penyokon hak election Lok Sabha National Banatura Parliamentary Constituency la Thikna banyo ikajing job hak ni ka kinti. Hak jing kran bakla pathai kubor hak phundai trik uyayong arajar phusau ulong bagajing job jong ki Kyrtong ka NPP bekin thop ya ka Dr. Ambrin Lingdo bag agatha sangma kanlong omdunai ka khatnyo hadu arpho jar vote.
As far myself is concerned, we are winning. Our candidate is winning. I don't have fair knowledge about Kashi Hills, but friends are telling it is squarely poised, but Garavit is winning. But this swing from TMC to Congress. Oh, I feel like that because some gone out, more came in. You got to assess that one yourself.
What is the margin you are expecting?
Difficult to see, but it will be normal margin.
Are you?
In election, we always believe that margin should be big. But in election, if you win by one vote also, that is winning. It was 17,000, it was 18,000, 20,000, like that. That is a normal margin.